Hello everyone! Welcome to How to Write an Introduction Part 3. In this video, we will talk about how to write a thesis statement. What is a thesis statement? A thesis statement is one sentence that tells what your whole essay is about. It is like the main idea of your essay. A thesis should be clear, give your opinion on the topic, and have your 3 arguments. Let's see some examples of thesis statements using the topic Dogs Should Be Allowed in Apartments from Introduction Part 1 and 2. Let's look at an outline for how your thesis statement should look. First, say your opinion on the topic because argument 1, argument 2, and argument 3. The arguments are the main ideas of your body paragraphs. For lower levels, you may only have 1 argument, or 2 arguments, or all 3 arguments. Your teacher will decide how many arguments you need. Now, let's fill in the blanks. We have your opinion. You can say dogs should be allowed in apartments or dogs should not be allowed in apartments. We're going to do dogs should be allowed in apartments because they make people happy, they can learn to be good, and they keep people safe. Let's look at it one more time. Dogs should be allowed in apartments because they make people happy, they can learn to be good, and they keep people safe. We have our opinion on the topic, argument 1, argument 2, and argument 3 from your body paragraphs. In our first example, we already have the hook and background information. So let's read it and decide what our thesis statement should sound like. It says, what would the world look like if all apartments allowed dogs? Pet owners would be happy, but some people might worry about noise and mess. Many people love dogs and think of them as family. However, some apartments do not let dogs live there. They worry about barking, messes, or bad smells. However, many owners believe trained dogs can live in apartments. Now, let's add a thesis statement. Remember, it needs to have your opinion, argument 1, argument 2, and argument 3. So our thesis statement says, dogs should be allowed in apartments because they make people happier, they protect people, and they can be trained. Let's read our second example. What problems might happen if there were no rules on dogs in apartments? If there were no rules, dogs could be too loud, cause allergies, or misbehave. Dogs can be noisy and bark a lot. Some people get sick from dog allergies. Untrained dogs might make a mess or scare people. Dogs make owners happy, but no rules could cause problems. Now let's add our thesis statement. It says dogs should not be allowed in apartments because they can break many things, they make people sick, and they are too noisy. So we have our opinion, argument 1, argument 2, and argument 3. That's how you write a thesis statement. That's the end of our introduction videos. Thank you for watching.